Hey, welcome back viewers. In this review video, I'd like to show you how I clean my Panasonic washing machine model NA-127VE5. This washing machine was bought back in 2017 and until this day it still works just fine. You can click the link shown above to view my first video about the washing machine when I first got it and how it was prepared. So after many years, this is the overall condition of the washing machine. I've never cleaned it thoroughly before, so I'm warning you, it may look disgusting. Just showing you the inside of the drum. It actually looks clean on the outside, but it's what's on the inside that really needs to be clean. You'll see what I mean later on, so keep watching. You can see how nasty it looks underneath the rubber door seal. This definitely needs to be cleaned. And to clean the inside of the washing machine, I'll be using this Putto Houzz washing machine cleaner. This washing machine cleaning detergent is made from natural ingredients, so it's environmentally friendly and safe for families. It says it's effective for removing bacteria, fungus, and dirt stuck to the drum part of the washing machine. I bought this online, and if you'd like to purchase one yourself, I'll leave a link in the description section. We'll see how effective this really is. So the first thing we need to clean is from the source of water, the water supply filter located on the back. Just unscrew the hose and use pliers to help remove the plastic filter. Just wash and scrub thoroughly using dishwasher soap. Once cleaned, just reinsert the filter. Now the drain filter located on the front bottom right of the machine. This is where the lint and other debris such as coins and other small objects will be built up after each wash. Also, the drain hose needs to be emptied. After cleaning the drain filter, reinsert like so. Now time to clean the detergent drawer. If not cleaned regularly, detergent buildup will develop as you can see here. Ew. This also causes the detergent to not flow smoothly into the washing machine. Let's clean the drawer compartment first. Spraying and scrubbing with a toothbrush will help. Now to clean the detergent drawer using dishwasher soap and a sponge. You can also use a toothbrush for hard to reach spaces. All clean. Now just reinsert it back into the compartment. Now for the rubber door seal. Here I use the fabric stain remover, then scrub the inside also using a dishwasher soap. Now it's time for the Putto Houzz washing machine cleaner.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Almost spilt it there. Just pour the whole 500-gram pouch directly into the drum. Set the temperature to 60 degrees Celsius, then press start. Now let's watch it in action. You can already start to see the buildup of dirt dissolved in the water. All the mildew and fungus and other leftover dirt is starting to appear. Ick. Starting to look like brewing tea or coffee. It's like a giant coffee machine here. Now just look at all the dirt draining from the washing machine. Although disgusting, I'm actually a bit satisfied looking at this. Finally able to rinse the washing machine. Just look at this. It's like cappuccino or cookies and cream milkshake here. Now going for a second rinse by the washing machine. Spinning rate is set to 1200 RPM. Subsequent rinses aren't as dirty. Now to open the drain filter again to see if we have any leftover excrement. So for this remaining filth, you can rinse with water and wipe with a clean cloth. So that's it. This is the result of cleaning my washing machine. It now can wash clothes much cleaner and smells much nicer as the detergent can flow much better through the detergent drawer. So I hope you enjoyed the show and hope it was useful to you. If you feel this video is helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more, and share to help others as well. Thank you so much for watching and stay healthy.